Welcome to everyone. Hi viewers. Today we will discuss about the instantaneous velocity and also instantaneous speed and formulas and difference between instantaneous velocity and speed. If you like my channels, subscribe now, likes, comment, share it. Don't forget, click the bell button. Let us start now. Instantaneous velocity. In simple words, the velocity of an object at the instant of time. Instantaneous velocity defined as the velocity of an object under motion at the specific point of time. The object is possess uniform velocity, then the instantaneous velocity may be same as it is standard velocity. However, the object is moving how fast more commonly refers to the how fast a particle is moving at a given instant. It is called as instantaneous velocity or simple velocity. It is denoted v. The velocity at an instant as obtained from the average velocity by stringing the time interval of delta t closer and closer to 0. As delta t, average velocity approach a limiting value which is velocity at that instant. Instantaneous velocity, it is determined very similarly as that of average velocity, but here time period is narrowed. We know that the average velocity for a given time interval is the total displacement divided by total time. As this time interval approaches 0, the displacement also approaches 0, but the limit of ratio of displacement to the time is non-zero and it is called as instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity formula is given by Vi equal to limit of delta t goes to 0 ds divided by dt, where delta t is the small time interval, Vi is the instantaneous velocity, S is the displacement, T is the time. The SI unit of instantaneous velocity is meter per second. It is a vector quantity. It can also be determined by taking the slope of distant time graph or xt graph. Note that V is the rate at which position x changing with the time at a given instant. That is, V is the derivative of x with respect to t. Also note that V at the any instant is the slope of position time curve at the point representing that instant. Instantaneous speed. We know that the average speed for a given time interval is the total distance traveled divided by the total time taken. As this time interval approaches 0, the distance traveled also approaches 0, but the limit of ratio of distance and time is non-zero and it is called the instantaneous speed. To understand in its simple words, we can also say that instantaneous speed at any given time is the magnitude of instantaneous velocity at that time. Instantaneous speed formula is given by speed equal to ds divided by dt, where ds is the distance, dt is the time interval, and also speed I is the instantaneous speed. The SI unit of instantaneous speed meter per second. It is a scalar quantity. Instantaneous velocity can be linear velocity or angular velocity. Difference between instantaneous speed and velocity. First point, instantaneous speed is the magnitude of instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity is the changing position taking place at a small changing time. Second point, instantaneous speed is a scalar quantity. Instantaneous velocity is a vector quantity. Third point, formula of instantaneous speed. Speed equal to Ts divided by Dt. Formula of instantaneous velocity. Vi equal to limit of delta t goes to 0 ds divided by dt.